Assalamualaikum class. This lecture is about the use and working of electronic balance. As we all know that balance is an integral part of every lab. Therefore, it is also a key equipment in every soil science lab also. To start with, what is a balance? And we all know that it is an instrument used for weighing. For its use, the first and very important point in working of balance is that it must be placed on a leveled hard shelf. And we must take care that we always use some container to weigh our samples. Never ever place the samples directly on the balance pan. For weighing purpose, we may use glazed paper, we may use weighing boards or beakers. Secondly, its weighing pan is very sensitive, so we must make sure that after weighing we must clean the pan and the surrounding area with brush. Class, in this video we can see the demonstration of an analytical balance. The balance must be placed on a level surface in order to minimize the effect of vibrations. Secondly, the balance should not be used near doorways or air vents because it is affected by air currents. As we can see here, the reading is fluctuated by the effect of air currents. Secondly, before starting weighing, we must make sure that the bubble lies in the center of the circle. If it is not in the center, we can adjust it by rotating the lever present on the feet of the balance. Now once the balance is done, we can weigh our sample. Suppose we have to weigh 1.5 grams sodium bicarbonate. For that purpose, we will use glazed paper for weighing. As we can see here, we can take a glazed paper and fold it. Now place the paper on the pan of the balance. The balance is showing the weight of the paper. By using the tare button or by using the auto zero button, we will zero out the reading of the balance. Now with the help of lab spoon or spatula, slowly add the salt on the paper. Close the glass doors and wait for the balance to give stable reading. Continue adding sodium bicarbonate until the balance shows the desired weight of 1.5 grams. Now the balance is showing 1.5 gram. After weighing, we must clean the balance and the surrounding surface, and after that we will keep off the balance.